Hey guys, today we're playing Ram Rampage. I really don't know where this goober's at. Like,
yes! Slice you up, get sliced, kid.
Oh, slicing. You want some of this? You want some of this?
Hey guys, today I want you to comment down below. What's your favorite? We need to know.
Okay, bro, stop being. Hey, can you hit me real quick?
Why?
Never mind.
My game's kind of on my screen if you haven't seen it. My screen is level 2. I don't know what the Sigma's happening, but I'm just gonna run away.
Sit down. Sit down. I just kicked you so high.
I don't even know where I am.
Come here.
Nah, I'm just gonna leave.
Ow. Okay, bro.
What did I do? Bro, you're still sitting right here. I'm just gonna go over here.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna run.
Then how you get in there?
Let me get out of here.
Fine, I'll let you hit me one time.
I don't even know where you at on my screen. So I'm just gonna vibe on this screen.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm just chilling. Ooh, different character. I want to choose this one.
Middle,
I'm vibing,
come on, little bro. Come in the middle.
Okay, big, ugly, fat, oversized watermelon, square Ohio-shaped watermelon.
You're gonna correct that.
Yeah, I'm gonna correct that. So,
bro, come
you're
on.
a freaking noob.
Come on. I'm not a noob.
We should just delete this video.
No, this is for our viewers.
But the viewers don't want to see me glitch.
Okay.
Like an infinite dash on my screen.
Wait, really?
Yes, sir.
What the Sigma?
You just hit me to a trash can. Now I'm glitching on my screen.
I didn't hit you. I didn't even hit you.
I'm in a trash can.
You're looking on my screen, and this is what I was going to do.
I'm still in the trash can. I'm just tired of beating up and going out of the trash can. I'm about to ready to go then. Second of all, you're just a big fat Roblox.
Okay, Mr. Whoever you are. Okay, bro, you're not Sigma. Stop.
What are you talking about? I'm just that guy.
Okay, bro. I'm just gonna turn into the Earth's warrior.
Yeah, I'm better than you.
Oh, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Stop the cap. Like, what is little bro yapping about?
if our family's watching this, what's up? What's up? And if your family's watching this with you too.
Yeah, my Robo family. Hey, yeah,
like
I
that.
heard you. Now it's time for you to die.
Not like that, kid. What are you thinking? Ooh, we just dummy. Why is the ground made out of bedrock? Ooh, he's on the ground. Oh no, he's on the ground.
Why is this one ain't working?
Oh my god, the bedrock's on. Where the Sigma are you?
Oh, but I could become that one.
Just meet me in the middle. Where the little weakest dummy is, little Goku guy. Knuckles. I don't Knuckles look like that. They look like my feet, but if they were white. I want the Sigma. Hey bro, you gotta check these out, bro. How they look like that?
Here we go. Finally got him. I need to do random character every time.
Oh, that was a cool attack.
Okay, bro. I don't know what's wrong with my phone.
Guys, we might have to redo this.
No, we're not.
Well, he doesn't want to.
Okay, here we go. My phone's back. Okay, come on, guys. Where you at, Carter? Huh, little bro?
I'm in the middle waiting on you.
Oh, I'm at the middle with a dumb Goku guy. Oh, so you call him dumb? Huh? Sure about that? Sure.
I don't know how to play this game.
So y'all can see I'm a professional. Stop hitting me. Stand strong, Goku. You're a booty.
Where are you?
Hey, sit down, Goku.
My game. Buddy. My screen. If you haven't liked or subscribed already, go ahead and hit that big like and subscribe button. And she just been fighting, guys.
Where you at, Carter? Time to kill
Break
you.
a wall?
Yeah.
I just broke a wall.
I'll show you a combo. I'll let you show my what? Okay, bro.
Breaking things.
Okay, I need to get off my villain arc. Where are you, little bro?
Yay, I'm breaking stuff for no reason. Yeah.
Where you at? Come on. Where you at? Oh yeah, I forgot you could throw these. Oh yeah, you can make
I
it
see you.
Sit down. Let me show you something.
Again. My game is glitching. I can't move. But you're teleporting this thing. Why am I in the sky?
It's pronounced Robo.
You
You see me now?
here. Up. There you go. Oh! Hey, what's going on? Okay, you got it.
Your ult yet. I'll show you real quick. Come here. Come here. Come here, Oliver. Come here. I need to stand still. I'm gonna use my powers to make you stand still. Stand still. I made you stand still.
Now, let me move. I can't move. I can't move.
Please, lend me some of your energy.
That finished him. He's dead. Now, like and subscribe that like button, or I'ma do you the same way. Now, one more character, and we're done. How haven't you got your ultimate, bro?
I barely did anything. I'm respawning, guys. I'll come back. I'm slowly falling off the map. Oh, guys. Like, that's the otter slash for Robo. And he kind of sucks and stinks because he's a robot. LLL. That's why you got an otter.
Okay, guys, he's hating, so we're gonna stop this video. My nose has kind of got some type of particles in it. Yeah, I gotta have
We're
to
just gonna finish right here.
put some oil in there. I'm a robot. So like and subscribe, guys. And I'm Robo, and he's Otter, and we're out. Bye.
Bye.